How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. On my channel, I get a lot of comments and questions and via email and all those kind of things. I try to reply to most of them as soon as possible, just to help you guys out. I mean, like I said, leave a comment, email me, or whatever means that I can help you in your trading career. But there's a couple of comments and emails that I would rather show you guys on the charts and make videos about, and try and explain it. And I feel that's just, the explanation is just better for you to understand. So today we're going to be making a video on a question that I was asked: where do I put my stop losses when it comes to 4-hour time frame using the Fibonacci? Now, it doesn't matter what time frame you trade. Using the Fibonacci, your stop losses can always be the same. It all depends on the equity that you have in your account, your balance, that you have, basically the risk that you place when you place your trades, and then so that's basically how it goes to. But as far as when I trade the Fibonacci, I do it as tight as possible. When it comes to placing that the stop losses. Okay. So we have got price. This is now the 4-hour, this last month or so. This is from, what is this, March, April. And as you can see, the Fibonacci went up, came down. So we were waiting for a retracement, basically. I'm just going to do that. So we're waiting for that swing. There we go. So we have got a swing low, swing high. We can see that price is it went from a downtrend to an uptrend. And price forming a high, low, a high, then coming back to retrace. So this is obviously the area that you are waiting for to place your entry. Okay, that's your entry area. Price going in that area. And where do I put my stop losses or my stops? I would just put it below this area over here. Okay, I'm just going to do that, and I want to make it a bright red. Well, let's make it a pink. Stick with the theme. Okay, so that's going to be my entry or my exit entry, my stop loss area. I'm using a little bit of buffer, and if price goes and breaks below that, now a lot of times that is the actual place to put it. Okay, I'm just showing you guys. But when it comes to Fibonacci, and when you see a proper uptrend, and we're going to be for those of you that's trading only Fibonacci, I would just keep it as tight as possible, okay? Because if it hits it, wait for another entry and then carry on. But there's obviously different aspects in the market that you need to look for, okay? So don't just trade the Fibonacci, learn other aspects like your fair value gaps and all that I teach. But for now, I'm just talking about Fibonacci, okay? So have your stop loss as tight as possible, just below that 79% area. Okay, because a lot of times it comes and it breaks that area and it bounces off again. But you will find that most of the time this is the scenario, okay, that happens. And as you can see, price just tapping into that area and then started shooting up again. Now, for those of you that missed that entry, obviously, if you missed that entry, you just sit and you wait for another entry to happen. So you have another higher high. So you have another swing low, swing high. Okay. So this is then the entry area, or not entry area, excuse me. This is the area that we're waiting for any type of a pullback. So you have a swing low, swing high. So a low, low, lower high. Okay. So again, you highlight this area in the market. There we go. I'm just going to highlight it for you. So again, another opportunity. If you missed this first one, another opportunity to wait for price going down, breaking that area. So what do? There we go. I'm just doing that. Just placing that stop loss again below that area. And as you can see, price just going up again. Okay. So that is the areas in the market that we wait for. Okay. We have another swing low. And then we have another swing high. So I'm taking this out. So there's two entries that you could have taken. Now, if you were in the first entry and price went up and it started breaking down again, you could have sat with that entry and not climb out yet. See if you can place another entry. If you're not, comfortable in placing another entry, just highlight this area. And if you see price moving up again, hold on to your trade. Don't climb out of your trade, because then you know there's another entry that was another possible entry that you could have taken, but you can see price moving upwards. Okay, so that's just more confirmation of your trade still going in your direction if you are in a trade. All right, so missed the first two entries. Again, you highlight, or not highlight, you draw your Fibonacci again. So this is the area that we were waiting for, or that we are waiting for. We wait for price to go there. Okay, just moving this again. This is going to be your entry area. That's going to be your stop loss area. Okay, now we wait. Price going, tapping into that area again, and then shooting up. So this is what we're currently looking at this week. This is where we are in price. So again, like you see, 3 entries that you could have taken. Just bear in mind, price is not always as pretty as this. Okay, this is just a nice, pretty movement in the 4 hour. It's not always the case. So there might be different scenarios in the market that happens. A lot of times it will tap you out and then carry on. But this is where experience comes in. And the more you trade it, the more you train your brain. It's like I said, having that perfect mindset in trading. The more you train your skill, the better you will get at it. And you will see things happening in the market. But guys, that's basically my answer. Keep it as tight as possible, just below that 79% area, especially if you are only trading with the Fibonacci. But again, it's not advisable. Please try different methods as well. It's just ticking that tick boxes just to see just confirmation of your trade going in your right direction. So the more confirmation you have, the more comfortable you will feel placing that trade. So that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, the notification bell. Show me some love by hitting that super thanks, and keep an eye out for more videos coming your way. So guys, I hope you have been having a wonderful week. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.